can't believe it, there is a Rolex store here. And welcome back to the channel. We have arrived at Fisherman's Village night market in Koh Samui after a pretty traumatic drive. Bit sketchy, it's not very nice riding around here. This is like a food and clothing night market, and we've kind of agreed that we're probably not going to eat any meat here. We've done so well so far. We've been here a week and we haven't been ill once. Touch wood. We're going to check out some of the authentic goods. Maybe do a bit of haggling and buy some shit. They've even got a Nike store here apparently, and Crocs in Jordan. 100% authentic. Jumpman has got 4 legs. Some decent looking clobber here. Get you a Gucci bag. I'm going on a jet ski tomorrow. Oh, I'm in forest! And I'm going to need something to protect it. No. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's nice colour.
How much are these? It's okay. We've just got an absolute bargain for that little number.
Oh, well.
Genuine North Face. Got this for a steal. 250 baht. 5 quid.
Yeah, you like? Yeah, all good. Thank you.
And I can't believe it, there is a Rolex store here. It's like a genuine Rolex store. Said no one. But hey, I'm never going to buy a Rolex in my life, so
You gonna buy one?
might buy one. Authentic. Do you want anything? 2 minutes later I've decided against the Rolex. It felt like a bit of paper and it's 40 quid and I'm never going to fucking wear it. I guess I'll have to keep saving.
Yeah, I think
Those ones?
yeah.
We bought some sunglasses. Thank you. Would have treated you to something nice.
Fake sunglasses. 200 baht. How much is
4 quid. Yeah, I don't say I never treat you. Tell you what, we're cleaning up here. Just spent another 4 quid. And we're in Prada. So we've done round 1. We've secured how many bits of shite?
What for?
So yeah, we've got a few bits of tat, did a bit of haggling, cut some deals. Didn't buy a Rolex, but we're now going to drop these off in the trusty ped and then go get some food from the food market. This guy's got some unbelievable looking pork ribs, but I don't think I want to risk it. Can I get a beef, please? Already ruined me raw. Gone straight in for meat, which fucking hell, probably shouldn't have, but it does look good. Can you get some vegetable gyoza?
Yeah.
Cheese corn.
That looks good, doesn't it?
I've got some beef skewer. I've been chewing it for about 2 minutes. When we get away from it, I'm going to honk it out and put it in the bin. There is also spider. I don't want to eat a spider. Chicken ass. Yeah. Chicken ass. Might get a roti. Right, that beef lasted 1 mouthful. Hello, can I get a roti? How much is it? 40. We'll get a crepe after. Okay. Thank you. Got veg samosa as well, which is decent. 50p for a veg samosa, banging.
Sweet corn fritter will be good though.
Do you want some sweet corn fritter?
Well, you said you do.
We're going down here, we'll get cheese corn. Might get a little Danish pastry. Cinnamon rolls only £1. Know what I'm getting for dessert. Cocktail, no. Crocodile on it. Corn cheese. This woman has never looked happier to be in the kitchen. That was 35 years ago. And here she is now. Bit of tough paper out for the old bird left. Corn cheese.
Tasty,
yeah? Like that. We do cookies and cream. Thank you. Here's a marshmallow wrapped with ice cream on. Thank you.
Cute.
Take that. I got marshmallow all over my lip. Well, that was a letdown. It was basically just a block of ice cream with a marshmallow cover. I thought it was going to be a big ball of marshmallow. That good?
Happy.
This crepe's decent though, to be fair, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Come all the way to Thailand and eat French crepe. And just like that, our Fisherman Village excursion has come to an end.
Yep.
All in all, load of shite in stalls. Get yourself whatever knockoffs you want. Food's pretty decent.
Alright.
Crepe was banging. Samosa was banging and the roti was banging. Yeah, check out Fisherman's Village. Got a cracking day tomorrow planned because it's my birthday. See the beer.